Hello everyone, today I want to introduce a learning management system. It's called TopPad. And as a student in Ohio University, we can use it for free. And you can search it online or log in through our Ohio University information page. We can log in as either a student or an instructor if you want to create a class. And the purpose of using TopPad is to create an interactive learning experience for your students. And the students can engage into the classroom activities and the discussion more easier than other learning management systems. I have been using TopPad for about 1 year, and I used it to create 2 training classes for library last year. And you can see this is my account, and I have created one is a public service student employees class, and another is student employee training class. And we can go to the student employee training class to see the features of the TopPad. And after entering to the course, so you can see how it looks like. So because this is from instructor's perspectives, so you already see like a lot of the content here. So this part will be like how like your students, the content that your students will wear during the class. And so in the content, and you can say that you can create a lot of information here. For example, you can ask questions and discussion boards, and upload your slides, or create blank slides and upload file and other like content in different pages. And there is a very interesting feature, is that quick attendance. So each time they will create a very unique attendance code. So your students can use this code to show that they already attended this class, and or like they take part in the classroom activities. So it's a very interesting tool like to record your students' attendance. Okay, so in order to view more features of TopPad, and I will go ahead to create a new folder. And we can name it as new folder. Then we can create like the page for this folder. And then you can add like your title, and you can also change here like which session this will be. So instead of the date or the time, and you can say this like the session 1. And then you can add picture, tables, questions, discussion, math, audio, or video. So you can see that there are a lot of options you can use. So it's kind of very interesting to see like how they can be used in different subjects. For example, the math or the tables can be used as a statistics class. Okay, so for example, I want to create a question. So you can see there are a lot of question types. So I can choose all of them. For example, I chose the multi-choice. So I can type my question title and different choices for them. So here I can choose the response options, either anonymous or not. So it's really depends on your purpose. And you can set the grading options and participation or correctness, and the responsible timer, and the report option. And also if I want to add like the discussion board, and you can also like the topic and the grading options. So and also like responses can be seen by anyone or professor only. So it's kind of if you want to ask them like very private information, and you can choose the professor only. So after understanding how to create like folder or any content into different pages, and like what options we can choose to add in your page, and we can go to the gradebook to see another feature. And you can see that the TOPPAD already created a report for you, and you can see like how its course looks like and how your students' behavioral performance looks like. For example, like you can see the average score and average participation for each class, and also you can see how your student participate in that. So you can go to the details, and they will show you like which part the students have been participating in and which part they haven't been done yet. And moreover, there are like a huge databases. Like instructors can borrow information from already well-made templates. For example, you can go to the marketplace, so you can choose like the topic, different topics, and like questions, presentations, course notes, and textbooks, and how you can say like how other textbooks looks like, and so you can like either borrow the information from them or like contribute to your own information into this big database. Moreover, students can access the TOPPAD through different devices, so the instructors don't need to worry about whether their students bring laptops or not, because they can use their smartphones or tablets to take part in class activities and discussions. Moreover, the TOPPAD can also be used as an online textbook, and students can view the content and highlight them, like if you couldn't understand or like they find it's very important. And after they highlighted them, and the TOPPAD will automatically create a notebook for them. So like students can use this notebook for later review or preparing for exams. So I think these are also very important feature and very like advantages of using TOPPAD. So after going to the TOPPAD website, and I found like 5 advantages of using TOPPAD. So relying on those features and advantages of TOPPAD, I think there are a lot of possibilities and potentials of using it into your classroom, into different subjects. I think this learning management system is very user-friendly, it's very convenient. I don't think instructors need really like sophisticated skills to design a class by using TOPPAD, and you can rely on like their design and their templates to create a very like perfect like class for your students. And also we can find more information in their website about like the data showing like how successful the TOPPAD is. For example, like students strongly prefer TOPPAD to other engagement tools, help to increase understanding of course material, something like that. So I think the TOPPAD is very advantageous to be used to deliver information and engage your students in a classroom.